Chapter 1. Reassembling. First, clean the head really well using a brush and some gasoline. Next, we need to remove the valves and the valve springs. I'm using the homemade valve spring tool. It's very easy to make yourself. Here how it works. Look. It's so easy. That's it. Now remove the spring and take out the valves. The spring seat may be stuck inside the head, so you can use a small magnet to pull them out, like this. After that, remove the valve's stem seals. Chapter 2. Remove the guides. Hit the cylinder head very well with a torch or on gas stove. And then a few light taps will remove the old guides, like this. You can see. In some cases, replacing the valve guides is not necessary. Later in the video I show you how to check it. Now we must clean the inside of the valve guides hole with the old toothbrush and some gasoline, like this. Chapter 3. Install the new guides. To install the new guides, you must follow these tips. Take the new guides and first install the new O-rings, like that. As you can see, one guide is longer. The longer one is for the intake valve. And the shorter one is for the exhaust valves. To install the new guides, we need to hit the cylinder head again using a torch or gas stove, like this. To make installation easier, you can put the new guides in the freezer for a while. Then apply a little oil and carefully tap them into place with a hammer, like this. You can also use a old valve to install the new valve guides. Just make sure it's perfectly straight, like this. Perfect. Chapter 4. Vacuum test. Insert the valve into the guides, move it back and forth. It should feel smooth and create a slight suction sound. Listen. That's it. Chapter 5. Valve lapping. Put a little oil on the valve stem. Then apply some fine valve grinding paste to the valve face, like this. You can do this by hand or with a cordless drill at the lowest speed. Use light pressure and keep turning the valve in both directions, left and right. You can also add a few drops of gasoline to the grinding paste if needed. It provides better reamings. Chapter 6 Sealing Test. When you're done, wash everything well with the gasoline and dry it. Put the valve back in place like this and hold it with your hand, just like that. Then pour the little gasoline into the combustion chamber. There should be no leak at all. You can see. It's perfect. Chapter 7 Assembly. Apply some oil to the valve stem and install the valves. Just place an old rag underneath the valve to keep them from the sliding back, like that. Don't forget to install the valve stem seals. Put the spring seats back. Now install the springs. The tighter end of the springs goes on the bottom. Look. Now install the valve keepers using our homemade tools, just like that. Perfect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.